Hi guys, it's Mary Ellen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to show you the new Winter Icons Volume 2 sticker book by Kellofaplan, and then we're going to do a quick plan with me. I'm going to show you how easy it is to plan very quickly with these types of sticker books. First things first, this releases tomorrow, the 10th at 10 a.m. Central Time. There's also a Winter Florals book releasing at the same time. But let's take a look at this one. I really liked Winter Icons Volume 1, so I'm excited about this. So this is a clue about the stickers coming up. These boxes are going to match the upcoming stickers. See? Yep. So we have a skiing theme here. Very cute. Some decorative boxes here with some skiers, a little ski lodge. The colors are really fun. They're sort of retro. They remind me of 80s. Those are on paper and these are on clear. We have lots of little illustrations of like ski stuff and another page of illustrations here. I love this mountain with the girl skiing. Is that all attached? Yeah, so this and this is one sticker. Is that attached? No, this one's a separate sticker. I thought maybe she was jumping, but no. Okay, here's the color boxes that are going to match the next theme. And I think this is the theme I'm going to be using today. And it's like a winter sweater theme, which is super fun. I really like the colors here. You've got sweaters and cocoa and stuff. So I think those are fun. Look at all the different ones. So these are on clear. All the illustration stickers in here are going to be on clear, these icon stickers. Really fun sweaters and wintry drinks. And now we are going into another theme, kind of a clothing winter theme, I guess. We've got jackets and sweaters and stuff. Oh, it looks like maybe ice skating, an ice skating day, right? The skates, we have the sweaters, the ski jackets, stuff like that. Look at that, there's a dog. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. A little pine cone, little tiny snowman, and these hearts made out of snow, super cute. Next theme here is going into New Year's Eve. So it's a party theme. I love this one, 9876543321. And then we have Cheers to a New Year. When I think of New Year's Eve stickers, I usually think of pink, black, and gold, and that's what we have here. This pink is like a blush pink, so it's pretty subtle. It's not like in your face pink, but it's cute. Next we have this theme, which is, I never know how to pronounce that word, and so I'm not going to try, but it's like a cozy winter theme. And we've got the wintry drinks, the cozy mugs, it's cocoa day. We have the little knitting needles, all the things you need for a cozy winter day at home. Books, all that kind of stuff. And this is going to be your Valentine theme with these girls in their fancy dresses. And a dog that says free kisses. I will kiss you, dog. I will kiss you. And be mine. Happy Valentine's Day. There's that dog again, only smaller. Is it the same dog? I don't know. It could be the puppy of that dog, but I think it's the same. He's just small. And then we go into a more neutral theme here. Still keeping in that like cozy, wintry, snowy day theme, which I love in the winter. I love making those kinds of spreads. Look at the slipper socks. They're like little reindeer ones. Again, we have piles of sweaters and cozy warm socks, all that kind of stuff. We have some little trees. They could be Christmas trees or other. Really cute. And then we have a page of clear quotes like, all I need is tea and warm socks, walking in a winter wonderland. I love sweaters and cold nights. I love that these are like really small, so they fit into different spaces that you just need a little something. And then we have the same quotes in colors, in the different colors that are going to match the colors in the sticker book. So very cute sticker book. Good job, Heather. Thanks again for sending this to me. Now let's get started, and we're just going to do a really quick plan with me. And this is something I'm going to give to one of my patrons next month. Before we get started here, I just want to mention that my affiliate link will be in the description box, and I really appreciate when you use that link. It does help me out a great deal, so thank you for using that on release day. We have a classic Happy Planner vertical spread here, and it's undated, but that's what I usually do for my patrons. Team Wallace is like the $75 tier, and they get a custom spread that's like semi-custom. And so I'm going to create something that I think one of them will like for next month. I'm going to try to do this within about 10 minutes. Don't worry, I'm not setting the timer. I know that stresses some of you out, but I think it's fun to try to set a time limit. And I really just want to show you how quick and easy it is to use Heather's sticker books. If you don't have a lot of time in your life, if you're a busy person, you can bang these out really quick with a simple little formula that I'm going to show you. Let's start with this cute little decorative box sticker with the mugs, and I'm just going to put it up here on Monday. And then we're going to layer a box on top of that. So let me grab another one. Let's do this blue one. I think this one's cute. So it's very easy to just layer. Let's see, let's do it here so we have a little more of that decorative box showing, because I don't want to cover that up. It's so cute. So I like to cluster things. So we have this on top of this, and now let's add a third little box up there. So let's get one that's red, I guess, and we'll just put it right there. Okay, so now we have a cute little cluster. We might add, let's see, how about a sweater? I mean, that makes sense. I also have some washi tape, but let's throw this in here. I am going to probably white out this line over here because this is for a patron, so I want to make it nice. So I'm just going to take this and white it out a little bit. Okay, I'm going to keep that up to let it dry. Now I'm going to need a box on Monday and a box on Wednesday, so let's get a couple more. Maybe one of these, and also like a square one. Or how about this size? Because I want to bring this color in over here. So let's just put this one right here. This is a Wednesday box. And then I'll put one here, and it's going to just cover that one a little bit. So a little bit of layering. Now we have this space here. We can put something. Let me put that down. So we can put a little illustration here. How about a little cup? Okay, so we have this cute little area. I think that's fun. This is the washi tape I was telling you about. I'm going to put a little bit down here. There's a hair under it. Let's not include the hair in the patron spread. I'm sure they've gotten hairs before, but you know, I'd rather not. If I see it, I'm going to remove it. You know what I mean? I'd rather not give them a hair if I can help it. Especially if it's my hair, because I don't want my DNA spread all over the place, you know? All over the United States. Who knows what'll happen to my DNA? Okay. Maybe like one more thing here. How about one of those quotes in the back? Walking in a winter wonderland. How about this here? Ah, it's crooked. Okay, I feel like we want to put something right down there in the corner. So maybe another like cocoa or sweater or something. I think like a little cup of cocoa would be nice. Or how about two of them? All right, so I think that page is probably done. Let's move on to the next one. We could put a couple of bullet points actually. Wait, let's put a couple of these here. Just for a little list. Okay, so this page, I know I said I was going to give you like a quick formula, but I hope that you're sort of getting ideas as I go rather than having a formula, because I don't know that I can do that. I mean, I always say I'm going to do things and I don't do them. but do you know what I mean? It's kind of hard to give you a formula because all spreads are going to be different, but I think this might give you some ideas, you know? Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing on this side as I did over here. I'm just going to put this down here though, so it's not going to be same. I'll put this here for a Friday box. Okay, so it's sort of similar. Let's take this one because I want to bring in some of this blue, and maybe we put it even down here, or we put it here for a Thursday box. Let's do that because we're going to need a box up there anyway. Is that crooked? That one is slightly crooked. I'm afraid it's going to rip this. Oof, that was rough. That was rough. Okay. Let's do it again. Try not to be crooked this time. That is better. Okay. So let's put a little bit of this washi tape up here since we have it down there. That makes sense to me. And we can even do it in the same spot, or why don't we do it over here on the weekend? So that Saturday and Sunday are a little bit special, right? I mean, they're special anyway, so that makes sense. And then maybe we put, let's see. I think we need more of this color. We could even do it this way. You're gonna have a box across 2 days, but it could be Friday and Saturday box. I like to do that sometimes for fun. And that could be like a list of some sort, like maybe errands or a little gratitude list or something like that. And then let's put this one here as well. So you are going to get a Saturday box. I'm going to line it up right close to that. And then how about another little sweater? Or one of these would be cute. This big cup. Okay, and now we're going to need a Sunday box. So let's get a small one like this maybe, or how about just a small red one? Should I put it over the washi? No, let's put it right here. And then maybe I put some bullet points there for a list over there on Sunday. Whoops, I put that down really crooked. Okay. Something needs to go up there, and I'm thinking maybe a sweater since we have a sweater here. So I probably should have put it here and put the cup up there, but that's okay. Let's do it anyway. Or a couple of sweaters. I don't want to use this. I was going to use this, but it's the same as that. So let's not do that. Maybe we do this one, but that's the same as that. I could do this one, but I don't want this bright red in there. So let's do this snowman one, because I don't see that anywhere else on here. Let's just throw it up there. And now maybe another quote over here. Let's look in the back. Baby, it's cold outside. Okay, that is really cute. Over here, I can add another box maybe for writing to my patron. I also want to put a box up here for the month, so let's do that. Okay, maybe we can do like a box here, like so. Or we could do another quote up here. We could do that too. Or another list. Sometimes I like to take a few boxes of this size and then put them like in a row for a list, and you can put something in each box. You know what I mean? Like so. Okay, that is crooked. Let's fix this middle box. All right, let me look at the quotes. Maybe there's a little quote I can put right up there and we'll finish it up here. How about let it snow? That's pretty small. All right, so there you have it, my Kellofaplan Winter Icons 2 spread. And I think it was easy and quick. Like I said, I don't know that it took me 10 minutes. It was probably longer than that. I'm not looking at my watch, but the point is it all matches. It was really easy, and you don't have to think about grabbing stickers from different books and stuff because this is all right here for you. So don't forget, oh wait, let's name this. What should we name it? I'm gonna call it Ice Ice Baby. Oh my goodness, I am strange. Okay, Ice Ice Baby. Anyway, don't forget tomorrow at 10 o'clock Central Time, you can pick up this cute sticker book and the new floral one as well. And that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this little video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.